Emotional characteristics. Natrum Mur is often prescribed for individuals who are emotionally sensitive, reserved, and tend to suppress their emotions. They may have a tendency to dwell on past grievances, feel hurt easily, and exhibit a desire for solitude. They may also experience sadness, grief, or prolonged emotional distress, often triggered by relationship issues or loss. Physical symptoms. Natrum Mur is known to be associated with various physical symptoms. Some common indications include headaches that are throbbing or bursting in nature, often located at the forehead or the back of the head. They may be triggered by grief or emotional stress. Cold sores. Recurrent cold sores or fever blisters, typically located around the lips or corners of the mouth. They may be triggered by exposure to sunlight, stress, or emotional upsets. Watery discharges. Excessive watery discharges from the eyes, nose, or mouth. This may be seen in conditions like allergic rhinitis or hay fever. Dryness. Generalized dryness of the skin, lips, or mucous membranes. Cracked lips and dry mouth are common manifestations. Digestive issues. Natrum Mur is sometimes indicated for individuals with digestive disturbances, such as a craving for salt, a dislike for bread, and a tendency towards constipation with hard, difficult stools. Aggravations and ameliorations. Symptoms associated with Natrum Mur are often aggravated by exposure to the sun, heat, and humidity. Emotional upsets, grief, and suppressed emotions can also worsen symptoms. On the other hand, symptoms may be ameliorated by open air, rest, and consolation.